the Self and Consciousness. Perspectives from Ryle, Churchland, and Merleau-Ponty from Group 7. The nature of the self and consciousness has been a central theme in philosophy, with various thinkers offering distinct perspectives. At the end of the presentation, you will know the contribution of Gilbert Ryle, Paul Churchland, and Maurice Merleau-Ponty, and their unique insights into the mind-body relationship and the concept of self.
Gilbert Ryle, 19,000 to 1976, critique of Cartesian dualism. In his similar work, The Concept of Mind, 1949, Ryle challenges René Descartes' dualistic view that mind and body are separate substances. So, Gilbert Ryle criticized René Descartes' idea that mind and body are separate. He introduced the concept of a category mistake to illustrate the logical errors inherent in dualistic thinking. Ryle argues that mental states are not separate entities but are better understood as the position to behave in certain ways. Ryle's categories mistake show that mental states are entities but not human behavior. Behavioral analysis. Ryle emphasized observable behavior over introspective methods, suggesting that understanding mental state involves examining how individual acts in various situations. This approach shifts the focus from abstract metaphysical speculation to practical analysis of human action. Ryle focused on behavior over introspection, shifting understanding of mental state to practical analysis.
Paul Churchland, 1942 present. Eliminative materialism, a theory that challenges traditional notion of mind. He critiques folk psychology and the common sense framework that describes mental states through concepts like beliefs and desire as scientifically indicate. Churchland advocates for replacing these outdated notions with explanation grounded in neuroscientific perspective. He asserts that amateur understanding of brain function will render traditional mentalistic concept obsolete, highlighting the need for a scientifically informed approach to studying the mind.
Paul Churchland suggests that every talk about truth and feelings is outdated. He believes that as we learn more about the brain and through science, we'll see that concepts like belief and desire are too simple. Instead of understanding the brain working, will give us clear picture of how we think and feel.
Maurice Merleau-Ponty, 1908-1961. Embodied phenomenology explores the embodied nature of human experience. He contends that consciousness is not separate from the body. Instead, our bodily experiences are fundamental to how we perceive and interact with the world. Embodied subjectivity in his work, Phenomenology of Perception, Merleau-Ponty emphasizes that the self is an embodied subjective, challenging traditional dualistic perspective. He argues that perfection is a dynamic from the activity, structure of conscious ideas and physical behavior. Merleau-Ponty emphasized that our body and mind are deeply connected. He believed that our experience and perception come from being in a body interact with the world for instantaneously in a warm. Isn't just about the physical sensation, it's also about how our mind interact. That feeling, so to understand ourselves, we need to consider both our physical bodies and our mental experience together.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Decaditurnus. For today's, I'm gonna tackle about compare and contrast and conclusion. Exploring the self and consciousness, the impact the contemporary thought. The ideas continue influence contemporary through across philosophy, psychology, and neuroscience, undercrossing the interconnectedness, nature of mind and body, understanding the human existence. So the next is conclusion. So the conclusion, Ryle, Churchland, and Merleau-Ponty have each in their own way rejected the dualistic separation of body and mind. Processing instead the understanding the self requires a more integrated approach that consider the mind and body's interconnected aspects of human existence. Their contribution have profoundly shaped discussions on the nature of consciousness and self-offering valuable perspective that continue to the information contemporary debates in the philosophy and related to fields. That's all.
In summary, this philosophy challenged the old idea that the mind and body are separate. They believe that the truly understanding ourselves, we should look at how our thought, feelings, and action are connection to our physical bodies and behavior.